Imagine a future where the effects of aging can be slowed down, where the vigor and vitality of youth are preserved through the right combination of nutrients and supplements. The quest for the proverbial fountain of youth has taken a fascinating turn with the rise of NAD and NMN supplements, both promising to unlock new levels of cellular health and longevity. But which one holds the key to a longer, healthier life? Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or NAD, is a coenzyme found in all living cells. It plays a critical role in cellular metabolism, acting as a key player in the transfer of electrons during metabolic reactions. NAD exists in two forms: NAD+, oxidized, and NADH, reduced. The balance between these two forms is essential for the proper functioning of metabolic processes. NAD+ is particularly important because it is involved in several vital biological processes, including energy production, DNA repair, gene expression, and cell signaling. Now, what is NMN? Nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NMN, is a direct precursor to NAD+. It is a nucleotide derived from ribose and nicotinamide and plays a pivotal role in the biosynthesis of NAD+. NMN supplementation has gained popularity due to its ability to elevate NAD+ levels in the body, potentially restoring youthful cellular function. The body's ability to produce NAD+ naturally declines with age, leading to decreased cellular energy, impaired DNA repair, and other signs of aging. By supplementing with NMN, it is believed that NAD+ levels can be replenished, thereby supporting the body's natural defense mechanisms against aging. NAD supplementation. Direct supplementation of NAD+ has shown promise in various studies for its ability to boost cellular health and longevity. NAD+ supplements can enhance mitochondrial function, which is often compromised in aging cells. Improved mitochondrial function translates to better energy production and overall cellular vitality. Moreover, NAD+ plays a crucial role in activating sirtuins, which are proteins that regulate cellular health, inflammation, and aging. By maintaining higher levels of NAD+, these sirtuins can function optimally, promoting DNA repair and protecting against age-related decline. However, the challenge with NAD+ supplementation lies in its bioavailability. NAD+ is a large molecule that may not be easily absorbed by the cells when taken orally. This has led researchers to explore more efficient ways to boost NAD+ levels indirectly, such as through its precursors like NMN. NMN supplementation. NMN is considered a more effective way to boost NAD+ levels, because it is smaller and can be readily absorbed by the cells. Once inside the cell, NMN is rapidly converted into NAD+, replenishing its levels and supporting various biological functions. Studies have shown that NMN supplementation can improve metabolic health, enhance physical performance, support cognitive function, and delay aging processes, promoting healthier aging. In recent years, NAD therapy has become a popular trend among celebrities and health enthusiasts. This therapy involves the intravenous, IV administration of NAD+, delivering the coenzyme directly into the bloodstream. Proponents of NAD therapy claim that it offers a more immediate and potent boost to NAD+ levels compared to oral supplements. How NAD therapy works? NAD therapy involves an IV drip that delivers NAD+ directly into the bloodstream, bypassing the digestive system. This method ensures that NAD+ reaches the cells more efficiently and in higher concentrations. The therapy sessions can last several hours, depending on the dosage and individual response. Benefits and criticisms of NAD therapy. Proponents of NAD therapy argue that it can provide numerous benefits, including rapid replenishment of NAD+ levels, leading to immediate improvements in cellular energy and function. Many users report enhanced cognitive function, improved mental clarity, and focus after NAD therapy sessions. It is often used to combat chronic fatigue and improve overall energy levels. Some studies suggest that NAD therapy can help reduce withdrawal symptoms and support addiction recovery. However, NAD therapy is not without its criticisms. Some experts argue that the high cost and time commitment of NAD therapy make it less accessible to the general population. Additionally, more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects and safety of repeated NAD/4 treatments. When it comes to choosing between NAD and NMN supplements, several factors need to be considered. Direct NAD+ supplements may have limited bioavailability due to their large molecular size, making it difficult for the body to absorb and utilize them effectively. NMN, on the other hand, is smaller and more readily absorbed by the cells, making it a more efficient precursor for boosting NAD+ levels. While NAD+ supplementation can provide immediate benefits, its effectiveness may be hindered by poor absorption. NMN's ability to be quickly converted into NAD+ in the body makes it a more effective option for long-term NAD plus replenishment. Convenience and cost. NAD therapy, although effective, can be expensive and time-consuming, requiring multiple IV sessions. NMN supplements are more convenient, can be taken orally, and are generally more affordable than NAD therapy. Practical considerations. For individuals seeking to boost their NAD plus levels and combat aging, NMN supplementation appears to be the more practical and effective choice. NMN's superior bioavailability, ease of use, and cost-effectiveness make it a compelling option for those looking to enhance their cellular health and longevity. Aging is a multifaceted challenge that requires a comprehensive approach. NAD and NMN supplements offer promising avenues to support cellular health and slow down the aging process. While NAD therapy provides a potent and immediate boost to NAD plus levels, NMN supplementation offers a more practical and sustainable solution for long-term benefits. Ultimately, the choice between NAD and NMN depends on individual preferences, goals, and resources. For most people, NMN supplements represent a more accessible and effective way to maintain youthful cellular function and promote healthy aging. As research continues to unfold, we can expect even more insights into the potential of these remarkable supplements in our quest for longevity and vitality. Embracing the advances in science and nutrition can empower us to take control of our aging process. Whether you choose NAD, NMN, or a combination of both, staying informed and proactive is key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant future. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out our site at Marquee Vitality for content to aging better and healthier.